your today's chapter is Windows operating system. The chapter we also discussed in a previous class. That I have uploaded the video in your classwork. You can see also the video of the chapter. In that chapter, we discuss about what is Windows 7, how to restart the window, how to shut down the window. Okay, these some points we discuss, how to open a software, how to open a file. You see the previous class on classwork. You all know how to work the window. Now we discuss the question and answer of the exercises of Windows 7. Understand? Today we discuss about the question and answer in Windows 7. Now I am presenting the screen. Please, with the chapter is Windows operating system. Your first exercise is pick the correct answer. Your first pick the correct is Windows 7 was developed by. Who developed the Windows 7? Its correct answer is Microsoft. Microsoft was developed Windows 7. Okay. Next question is the bar at the bottom of the desktop. You also see the screen in the text is a text. It's the bottom of a taskbar. It's called taskbar. जो bottom पे आप bar देख रहे हो ना, you can see in the bottom of your presenting screen. It's called taskbar. It's a bar of the bottom of the desktop. जबकि desktop screen पर सबसे नीचे जो bar होती है ना, उसे बोलते हैं taskbar. That's called taskbar. Third is the small pictures present on the desktop are called icons. Some small pictures that present on your desktop. Like in my desktop, that small icons like Recycle Bin, Microsoft Edge, the class 5 shortcut and class 5 file. These are the icons. The small pictures we called icons. Fourth is dash button is present at the bottom left of the desktop. In the given option, which button will show the left corner? It's a start button. If you see in my screen, in a presenting screen, in a bottom left, it show the start button. Okay. Now switch on next slide. Fill in the blanks. Dash is the first screen that appears after switching on the computer. When you switch on your computer, the first screen is called desktop. It's called desktop screen. Second is Windows is the most popular operating system. It's the most popular. That means it's used by the many number of millions of people, billions of people in a world. Date and time are present on the taskbar. In the bottom of the presenting screen, you see in the right side date and time. It's a correct. Date and time are present on the taskbar. Fourth is dash menu list all the installed program in the computer. In dash menu is a start menu. When you click on a start button like that, I also click the start button. You can see the software in the menu appear, in which all software appear that installed in your computer. Third is true and false. What is true and what is false? Windows is an application system software. It's an application system software. It's incorrect. It's only a system software. It's not an application system software. Understand? It's a system software. It's called an operating system. It's a false. The start button is present on the left corner of the desktop. I also explain the in the blanks where the start button appear. The start button in the bottom of the taskbar, not at top on the desktop. It's incorrect. It's also be a false. In Windows 7 is a GUI based software. It's true. Windows 7 is a GUI based software. GUI stands for graphical user interface, in which we see the pictures, icon, text. This is the properties of GUI. It's a true. The small arrow present on the screen is called pointer. You see the small pointer on the screen? You see that's called mouse pointer. It's true. It's also the true. Now move on the next slide. Your question answer. First question is, what is Windows 7? Windows 7 is an operating system developed by Microsoft. It is GUI based operating system. Windows 7 is an operating system developed by Microsoft, and which type of operating system is graphical user interface based operating system. Second question is, what does a start button contain? What contains start button? The start button contain different menus, like different menus, sub-menus, and the turn off computer command. When you open the start menu, you can see the start menu, a menu, two type menu. It's a left side and right side. In the left side, you also see in the bottom Windows start button. Above the start button, you see the power button. In that power button also contain a turn off and restart command. What does a taskbar show? In a taskbar, you can see in a present screen, bottom of the present screen, what do we show in a taskbar? Taskbar show the start button. In a button, by mistake, I is add. It's a correct spelling. In an incorrect spelling, correct spelling is DUTTON. It's a incorrect. Remove the I. When you work in your notebook, remove the I. Taskbar shows start button at the left corner. What you can see in a taskbar, in the bottom you can see the taskbar. In the left you can see the start button, and in the right you can see the clock and date. Clock and the date in the left, and in the between you can see the open application. It's a content that show you in a taskbar. Fourth is, what is the use of mouse pointer? Mouse pointer is used to point, like that, point, and click on double click. We also use the click on double click on various items or file and folder to open. In a single click on a file, we select a file. If we double click on a file repeatedly, we open the file. Okay, Beta, please switch off your microphone. We switch on the next slide. Application based question. This is the application based question on your book. Suman wants to open MS Paint, but she does not know how to do it. Help her to open it. How to help her to open the Paint software? And the answer is, click on start button. Start menu appear. These steps belongs to Windows 7. In Windows 10, that's be different. I also tell you how we work in a Windows 10 to open a software. In Windows 10, in Windows 7, you can go in a start button. The start menu appear. Click on all programs. In all programs, option is accessories. In accessories, contain an option of Paint, and you click on Paint option, and Paint application appear in front of you. And how do we open in a Paint? In a Windows 10, click a start button, type MS Paint or only Paint. You see the Paint app. It's a Paint app, and you only click on that, and file open in front of you. File appear on your screen like that. Okay, it's a step to open a Paint in a Windows 10. How to open a Paint in Windows 10 and other software. Like that, you also open the other software to search here. Third is, your last question is, label the given screen correctly. This question is also available in your book. In that screen, you see I label the some options in that screen. The two options, in the top left hand side, two icons appear. In that called name desktop icon. In between, you point the mouse pointer. In right hand side top, we mark as a desktop. It's also a desktop screen. It's a start menu. Bottom you see the left hand side start button. In the bottom you see the taskbar icon, taskbar, notification area, date and time. This is the screen that labeling them. You also label your book like that. Okay, and that's it.